You've probably seen people online claiming they make money with AI, and most of it sounds fake. But I'm here to show you how I actually used AI tools to make over £500 a week, starting with zero experience. This isn't about coding or building an app. It's about using smart systems that do the heavy lifting for you. Let's start with the truth. AI isn't magic. It's a tool. But when you know how to use it right, it can multiply your time, your skills, and your income. When I started, I didn't have clients. I didn't even have a portfolio, but I learned how to use AI to look like a pro instantly. Here's exactly what I did. Step 1. I picked a service I could offer using AI. I chose content writing and script creation. You don't need to be a genius writer. I used ChatGPT to create clean, engaging text for YouTube videos, social media, and blogs. Then I used Grammarly and Quillbot to polish everything so it sounded professional. Step 2. I turned those words into content people could actually use. I used ElevenLabs for realistic AI voiceovers and Canva or Pictory to create short videos that clients could post on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Within days, I had examples to show potential clients, all made by AI. Step 3. I went to where the clients already are. Fiverr, Upwork, and Facebook business groups. I made a few simple listings like, I'll create your social media videos using AI tools. Because the AI does 80% of the work, I could deliver fast. And people love that. The first week I made £90. Not bad for a start, but by week 3, I'd refined my process, and that's when I hit £500. The secret wasn't the tools, it was the workflow. I treated it like a system. ChatGPT for scripts, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, Canva for visuals, and a few hours a day of outreach. Now here's the part most people ignore. You have to think like a business, not a freelancer. I didn't just sell videos, I sold a solution. Small businesses want to post content that brings them customers, not just pretty videos. So I focus my pitch on results. I'll help you attract clients with AI-powered short videos. That single shift doubled my conversion rate, and once I had 3 to 4 happy clients, I used their testimonials to raise my rates. Suddenly, £500 a week became easy. The system was running itself. The crazy part? You can copy this exact method right now. No experience, no camera, no special skills. Just your laptop, a few free AI tools, and some consistency. Here's what I recommend. 1. Pick one niche, like real estate, fitness, or small business marketing. 2. Use ChatGPT and ElevenLabs to create short, high-value video content for that niche. 3. Post examples on TikTok or YouTube Shorts to attract attention, even before you get clients. 4. Offer your service to small businesses and freelancers who need content but don't know how to make it. Do this every day for 30 days, and you'll be shocked by how fast things grow. This is how the money shift started, using AI to build something from nothing. And if I can make £500 a week with no prior experience, you can too. The difference is whether you'll take action today or wait until everyone else has already mastered it. So, if you're ready to start your own AI side hustle, subscribe to The Money Shift and keep learning how to use smart tools to create real income.